Do you ever feel that you want to give someone an artistic gift with a personal touch, yet find that your creative skills are slightly lacking? Today I'm showing you the 3 easiest ways to paint quick Christmas trees, which don't require any para painting skills. First, if you find it challenging to hold your brush steady enough to paint smooth lines of even thickness, ending up with an unnatural outcome, you can change your animal bristle brush for a brush with a more rigid bristle material like nylon. You can also try to use a very thin brush, like a liner brush, to paint fine branches instead, as long as it has a fine point at the tip. A liner brush could help you control branch sizes much more easily than your regular brush, as it gives you more control, improving the outcome. If you find it challenging to master the whole shape of a tree, especially when you want a dreamy outcome, painting an outline may not be the best choice. Personally, I like to avoid pencil outlines as much as possible in a painting, as it may leave some unwanted traces of pencil. I'm using a dry brush technique for this tree, taking a damp brush first, then dry it off until almost totally dry using paper towels, then add some green color to the brush. If there's too much water on the brush, it will create a watery effect like this. Then we can drag the brush onto the paper. This way, it will be much easier to control the tree shape rather than creating a solid tree outline. Finally, we can add some depths with darker green by using the same method. It seems fine when painting a silhouette tree. However, when it's come to adding detail, as a beginner you may find it challenging to paint natural branches, and they can tend to look messy and lack dimension. To avoid this, there is an easy way: adding some white watercolor paint to a dry brush, then dabbing the paint onto the paper and then dragging the brush slightly, which will create a dry and cracky pattern which looks like snow. Painting this step is really relaxing to do. In addition, it can be useful for adding depth, as well as covering up any messy strokes we made when painting the tree.